Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change video size in CapCut, customize video size for social media, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your CapCut account and choose in the file or the project where you want to go ahead and try to change the video size. So you could create new as well as per your liking. And once you're already in here, you need to go ahead and choose in a clip first or add in a clip onto the timeline before you could choose the video size. So for example, we have this specific clip. We're going to add this track here onto the timeline, and right after, to change the size for this, we have ratio here onto the bottom part of the screen. So you'll have to click onto ratio in here, and as you can see, we're currently onto original. So this will go ahead and follow in the ratio that your clip is in, but we have custom in here, or we also have different things in here such as 16 by 9. You could also do 4 by 3, and if you're trying to customize this video size for social media or a phone, we have in here the portrait setup with 9 by 16 and 3 by 4. So by this, your video should automatically be adjusted as per the ratio that you have chosen. And that is how easy you could change video size in CapCut or customize video size for social media, easy CapCut tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.